Start by grabbing an old window. Turn it upside down and clean the glass. Then tape off each pane with painter's tape. Next, mix 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar into a spray bottle. Lightly spray the vinegar and water onto the glass. While the vinegar is still wet, spray mirror effect spray paint on the glass and let it dry. Spray a second coat if desired and let it dry. Then remove the tape and add some black craft paint to the back of the window. This will help the vintage look stand out. Then cut some scrap wood and sand it smooth. Lay side by side and measure and cut 2 smaller pieces of wood to fit the width. Then mix 1 cup of paint and keep adding a teaspoon of water at a time until the paint turns runny. Next, lightly coat your brush and gently brush the whitewash against the grain on each board, adding as much as desired. Attach the smaller boards on top and bottom using a nail gun or a hammer and nails. Then grab your window and attach the shutters to each side using hinges. Totally personalize your space with this farmhouse antique mirror. You can create this piece in any size and shape to fit any room. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need: an old window, a paper towel and cleaning solution, a mixture of vinegar and water in a spray bottle, some mirror effect spray paint, painter's tape, a paintbrush, black craft paint, some scrap wood fitting your measurements, a measuring tape, a nail gun or hammer and nails, some sandpaper, white paint, water in a mixing cup and paint stirrer, some hinges and screws, a screwdriver, and screws and wire to hang it all up. This technique also looks great without the shutters. I hope this inspires you to create your own antique farmhouse mirror for your home. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.